Hello everyone and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. And just taking a moment to center yourself, to relax, to be present as best as you can. Following your breath and just letting go of any stress and anxiety. And when you breathe in, just breathe in the life force that is around you, the energy that is around you. Gently and slowly waking up the system, reinvigorating your system. And I invite you now just to observe your thoughts, just to notice what comes up. And now bring your focus to your body. Just notice if your body is trying to tell you anything, bring up any sensations or emotions. And with your breath, once again, can you let go of anything that is unwanted? And on the in-breath, can you activate it with the life force that is around you? And now we call forth your spiritual team to guide you, to assist you through your day. We invite them to shine their light, their blessings upon you now. And when you're ready, visualize a white light surrounding you. Pure, healing energy that washes away any toxicity, any negativity, and any heaviness. Elevating your frequency, opening up your energy, and allowing you to be present, aware. And now when you breathe in this energy, breathe in this white light. Allowing it to enter your system and activate your body, healing your body, healing your mind and your heart. And we are now slowly going to return, but if you prefer, you can stay in this meditation a little longer. So slowly expanding your awareness back to your body. When you are ready, open your eyes.